The convergence of beauty and durability in wooden garden fence design represents a significant trend in contemporary landscaping. As homeowners increasingly seek to enhance their outdoor spaces, the aesthetic appeal and functional integrity of garden fences have become paramount. Wooden fences, in particular, offer a unique blend of natural beauty and robust performance, making them an ideal choice for modern gardens. This combination not only elevates the visual charm of outdoor spaces, but also provides the structural integrity necessary for long-lasting use. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden garden fence style design ideas for contemporary look. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden fences have a timeless quality that resonates with the beauty of nature. The organic textures and warm tones of wood create an inviting atmosphere, seamlessly blending with the surrounding landscape. Whether in a rustic setting or a sleek, modern garden, wooden fences can be tailored to complement various design aesthetics. The natural variations in grain and color ensure that each fence is unique, providing a personalized touches that enhances the overall charm of the property. This individuality is particularly appealing in contemporary landscaping, where personalization and authenticity are highly valued. In addition to their aesthetic qualities, wooden fences are inherently versatile. They can be designed in numerous styles, from classic picket fences to more modern horizontal slats. This versatility allows homeowners to express their personal style while ensuring that the fence serves its primary function, to provide privacy, security, and delineation of space. The ability to customize the height, design, and finish of a wooden fence means it can fit seamlessly into any garden layout, enhancing the overall look without overwhelming the natural beauty of the surroundings. Durability is a crucial factor in the selection of materials for garden fences, and wood excels in this regard when properly maintained. High-quality timber species, such as cedar, redwood, and pressure-treated pine, offer excellent resistance to decay and insect damage. These woods are often chosen for their natural durability and longevity, ensuring that the fence not only withstands the elements, but also retains its beauty over time. With appropriate treatment and maintenance, such as staining and sealing, wooden fences can last for decades, making them a worthwhile investment for homeowners. Moreover, the environmental sustainability of wooden fences adds to their appeal in contemporary design. As concerns about climate change and ecological impact grow, many homeowners are seeking materials that are renewable and environmentally friendly. Wood, being a natural product, is often sourced from sustainably managed forests, contributing to responsible land use. This eco-conscious approach resonates with those who wish to create beautiful outdoor spaces without compromising the health of the planet. The ability to choose reclaimed wood further enhances the sustainability aspect, allowing homeowners to incorporate history and character into their garden design. The convergence of beauty and durability in wooden garden fences also aligns with the growing trend of outdoor living spaces. As backyards evolve into extensions of the home, the need for aesthetically pleasing and functional boundaries becomes more pronounced. Wooden fences provide a perfect backdrop for outdoor entertaining, gardening, and relaxation, creating defined areas that enhance the usability of the space. Their ability to blend seamlessly with landscaping elements, such as plants, flowers, and outdoor furniture, enhances the overall ambience and encourages outdoor engagement. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In contemporary design, the integration of technology and modern materials into traditional wooden fences is also noteworthy. Innovations such as pre-treated woods and advanced finishes offer enhanced durability and reduce maintenance requirements. For instance, some modern wooden fences are treated with special coatings that protect against UV rays, moisture, and mildew, ensuring that the fence remains beautiful and functional for years. This technological convergence allows homeowners to enjoy the classic beauty of wood without the extensive upkeep often associated with traditional wooden fences. Additionally, The design of wooden fences can incorporate contemporary features that further enhance their functionality. For example, integrating trellises or planters into the fence design not only adds visual interest, but also provides opportunities for vertical gardening. This approach maximizes space usage while creating a lush, inviting atmosphere that encourages biodiversity. The combination of beauty and functionality in these designs showcases how wooden fences can adapt to modern gardening practices and aesthetic preferences. The emotional connection that wooden fences create with homeowners is another aspect that highlights their beauty and durability. A well-designed fence can evoke feelings of security and comfort, marking the boundary of a personal sanctuary. The warmth and natural beauty of wood contribute to a sense of belonging and tranquility, transforming a garden into a retreat from the outside world. This emotional resonance reinforces the value of investing in a quality wooden fence, as it enhances not only the physical space, but also the overall well-being of those who inhabit it. Furthermore, the craftsmanship involved in creating wooden fences reflects a commitment to quality and artistry. Skilled artisans pay meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that each fence is not only structurally sound but also aesthetically pleasing. This dedication to craftsmanship elevates the fence from a mere boundary to a work of art that enhances the landscape. In a world where mass production often prevails, the uniqueness and character of handcrafted wooden fences stand out, appealing to those who appreciate the finer aspects of design. As trends in gardening and landscaping evolve, the role of wooden fences continues to adapt. The growing popularity of sustainable gardening practices, urban farming, and outdoor living spaces has led to innovative designs that cater to modern lifestyles. Wooden fences can now be tailored to accommodate these trends, incorporating features such as integrated seating, lighting, and storage solutions. This adaptability ensures that wooden fences remain relevant and desirable, bridging the gap between traditional craftsmanship and contemporary design. In the convergence of beauty and durability in wooden garden fence design encapsulates the essence of contemporary landscaping. The natural allure of wood combined with its robust performance makes it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their outdoor spaces. As wooden fences continue to evolve, incorporating modern technology and innovative design features, they remain a timeless element of garden aesthetics. The ability to create personalized, functional, and aesthetically pleasing boundaries enriches the outdoor experience, fostering a deeper connection between people and their surroundings. Ultimately, wooden garden fences serve as more than just barriers. They become integral components of a beautiful and sustainable living environment, reflecting the values and aspirations of those who cherish their gardens. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden garden fence style design ideas for contemporary look. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.